Hey guys, you are watching True Technology Tube channel. Here, we are unboxing Sony Stereo Headphones MDR-EX14AP, which comes with multifunction button and microphone. It also comes with 3 pairs of earbuds, small, medium and large. Let's talk about Sony Stereo Headphones specifications. It comes with black color and blue color, and color choice depends upon different models. Here we have blue color headphones. Driver unit is 9mm. Frequency response is 8 Hz to 22,000 Hz. Cord length is 1.2 meters. And it has audio plug 3.5mm. which is compatible with many smartphones. Let's see what comes inside the package. We have one user manual, Sony Stereo Headphones, and 3 pairs of earbuds, in which 1 pair earbuds comes with headphones, and 2 pairs earbuds comes separately. Let's look headphones. There is microphone, multifunction button, left and right headphones drivers. There is Sony branding. This is 3.5mm audio connector and blue color cord. Alright. This is Sony Stereo Headphones MDR-EX14AP. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.